Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review of A2Hosting. I'm going to highlight its pros and its cons. Let's get started. You see, A2Hosting is a web hosting provider known for its focus on speed and performance, particularly with its turbo servers. Now A2Hosting has changed its name to hosting.com. So it's the same speed, same support, just a new name and a bigger mission. So it has to do with web hosting and so much more. So let's continue from there. Let's look at the pros and the cons quickly. Now when it comes to the pros, it has excellent speed, it has strong uptime, developer friendly, it has good security features. Anytime you need your money back, you get it guaranteed for any unused service at any time. Then they also have free site migration to help users transfer their existing websites, which is really good. You can see all the pros here. So you can see free account migration, 99.9% uptime, commitment, money back guarantee, up to 20 times faster turbo, that is the speed, and the Guru Crew support. It has a great support. Now let's look at the cons. The cons is that it has a high renewal price. Yes, basic plans have limitations compared to the higher tier or turbo plans, and the customer support can be inconsistent. While it is positive, others have noted long wait times for live chat and varying response time for support tickets. Then the user interface kind of dated, and then the unlimited plan can have caveats. While they offer unmetered bandwidth and storage on some plans, this is subject to the acceptable use policy and resource limits to ensure fair usage. So I hope you found this analysis or review helpful.